What's up guys, it's Raph again, here with another video in the tutorial series. We're at the Fire Academy again, in the new area, which can show you the use of every tool and where they're found, etc. This container has a cuttable roof, which is featured on most buildings that have fire in them. The roofs can be cut with a K12 or a chainsaw. You'll simply equip the chainsaw and hold the right mouse button and left mouse button while crouching and aiming down at the roof to cut. In the previous versions, the cuts would show up as highlighted areas, but now you can do pretty much any shape cut you want, and I'll demonstrate that now. So once you make your cut, you'll need to use a pike or a hook to poke out your cut. As you can see, that chainsaw went flying, but we'll have the city pay for that. So this is the newest way to bend roofs, and it allows you to make some more specific holes than anything just being straight and square. Anyways, that should be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll get to them ASAP. The more you know.